So in today's video, I'm going over a pair of new sneakers I just picked up from Lanvin. With your sneakers, you do get two dust bags, one for each shoe. Now these are the curb sneakers and they're definitely inspired by the early 2000s skater shoe. These guys are super thick, very heavy. These are most definitely a statement shoe. Now on the tongue, you do have a plaque that says Lanvin Paris. But other than that, there's really no other branding. So let's talk about the tongue. It's like a pillow. It's a really padded, heavily padded neoprene tongue. On the front of it is a rubber pull, so it helps get the sneakers on. Now the laces are kind of confusing. So you have the exterior lace, which is that bright and vibrant pair of laces. They're really long. You can try tying them, but that's kind of weird. So you're supposed to kind of just tuck them in, but again, it's a little awkward. And then you have another set of laces underneath the decorative laces. I don't know if you can really see that, but they're under there. So then let's get a side shot of these guys. I lied, there is more branding. It's the Lanvin logo. And then if we flip these guys over, this is what the sole of the shoe looks like. And as you can see, there's a little curvature to the sole to make it a little easier to walk in.